Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel, AM Trading Tips. Today I will share you how to trade on MT4 swing indicator, so must watch the video till the last, and those who have come for the first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, so that you will continue to get such updated videos in future also. So let's start the video. First of all, we know that how many indicators are there in this setup. The first indicator is the parabolic SAR, followed by two moving averages, and as you see below is the 2 MACD advance indicator. So let us now see the rules for taking buy and sell trades on this indicator setup. While using this indicator, watch carefully these two important candle positions shown on the chart, when the candle touches the parabolic SAR dot, and keep a note in your mind that in between these two candle positions you have to take buy and sell trade. How? Let's look first by trading rules. First rule. White parabolic SAR dot appear and candle touch parabolic SAR dot. Second rule. Two moving averages cross each other and the white line should come upwards. Third rule. Show middle MACD indicator white bar. Fourth rule. If the bottom of the MACD indicator turns from the red bar to the white color bar and it moves upwards from the zero line, apart from this, the blue line crosses the red line and comes upwards, then understand that here is a perfect buy trade opportunity. The stop loss is to be placed on the candle which touches the parabolic SAR dot. And take profit is to be booked and the candle further touches the parabolic SAR dot. Let's look sell trading rules here. First, yellow parabolic SAR dot appear and candle touch parabolic SAR dot. Second, two moving averages cross each other and the red line should come upwards. Third, show middle MACD indicator red bar. Fourth, if the bottom of the MACD indicator turns from the white bar to the red color bar and it moves downward from the zero line, apart from this, the red line crosses the blue line and comes upwards, then understand that here is a perfect sell trade opportunity. Avoid trading on flat market condition. Use 30 minutes and above time frame while trading on this indicator. Here is perfect sell trade setup because yellow parabolic SAR dot appear and candle touch parabolic SAR dot. Two moving averages cross each other and the red line come upwards, also showing middle MACD indicator turn red bar. And the bottom of the MACD indicator turns from the white bar to the red color bar and it moves downward from the zero line, apart from this, the red line crosses the blue line and comes upwards. Now here is book your profit because here candle touches the parabolic SAR dot. Here is perfect buy trade setup. Please watch here some perfect buy and sell trade setup. Free download indicator. Link given below video description. I hope this indicator brings success for you. If you get to learn something new on this channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our video. Till then, happy trading, bye bye, and see you again on the next video.